So in the last lecture, we have already completed its components. So now we will discuss with second process of manufacturing of concrete. So in this step, we are going forward for mixing. So we are having a different materials, or you can say component of concrete. For example, cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, admixture, and water. So how we will use these material to mix to make a good or ideal concrete. So for this process, we have to forward to mixing. So in this process, there are different method of mixing is there. First is by hands. So in this method, we are manually mixing the all the materials. Then stationary mixer, second one, and the third one is ready mix concrete. So these are the three methods which we are using to mix the different components of concrete. So I think already it is clear all of you what are the three components of the concrete we have already discussed in the last lecture. So first one is hand mixing. In this type, the mixing ingredient which are mixed by manually labor with hands. Ordinary tool like hand shovel, etc. are used in this case. So these are the mix. This method of mixing is used where we are using cement concrete for small projects, or you can say these projects are not important as compared to when we are using mixture. Okay, so the concreting quantity is not huge for this process. We are using this method when we are required small quantity of concrete. Then we can use hand mixing. So when we are talking about output of these mixes as compared to stationary mixer or ready mix concrete, it is low as compared to others because it is mixing is done in a manual way. So in the other one, mixing is done in the stationary mixer ready mix that is more output as compared to this method. So you can see in the picture. So manual labor, which is doing mixing activity with the help of shovels by hands. Next one is stationary mixers. So concrete is sometimes mixed at a job site in a stationary mixer having a size of 9 cubic meter. So when we are having a construction site and we are going to use stationary mixer for this project, so you can say when we are having a large quantity of concrete, we are using this type of mixer. As you can see in the slide, the capacity of these mixer is 9 cubic meter. Okay, so we can use it for other than small projects. So there are two types of mixer. First is tilting type. Second one is non-tilting type. So here you can see the tilting type mixer. It consists of a conical drum which rotate an inflatable axis. So we can rotate it any axis. That's why it is known as a tilting. Tilting means we can tilt it to at any angles. So when we are going to pour the concrete in this, we can use to incline as our convenience. When it's going to mix and revolve or all around, we can use it on 90-degree direction. So when it is already done, mixing is done, you can see the uniform color and water is already done. So then we can tilt again and pour out the concrete mix from the mixer. Then we can use it as our side project or where we are going to completing activity. It has only one opening. It's only one opening in the one side. The drum is charged directly and discharged by tilting and reversing to the drum, as we already discussed. So we can use it by inclined at any angle. That's why it is known as a tilting type mixer. So next is non-tilting type mixer. So in this mean the mixer can't be rotated at any angles. So that's why it is known as a non-tilting. As a name suggesting, It can't be tilt. Okay. So mixing drum is cylindrical in shape, revolve into two horizontal axes. So it revolves to two horizontal axes, opening on both sides. So we have to charge ingredients of concrete from one opening, and for discharging concrete tube is introducing to other opening by operating a lever. So you can see when we are going to completing or casting at any particular height, or we can say we are going to completing in a first floor, second floor, third floor, then we can use this type of mixer. So at that time, we can't use tilting type mixer. These are the mixer we can use it on the activity like ground level activities. So when we are going to cast the concrete at some height, we have to use non-tilting type mixer. So first one, the mixer will mix the ingredients of concrete, then it will pour into the tube, then it will goes from ground level to first floor, second floor, third floor, then we can use it accordingly. Okay, so this is known as a non-tilting type mixer. The third one is ready mix concrete. So ready mix concrete, which is we are having two methods in this: central mix concrete and truck mix concrete. So in this method, the ready mix concrete is proportion and mix off at a site project. So we are doing all the mixing, all the process at a site and deliver to the construction area where it is in a freshly mixed. So whatever condition of fresh state, we will deliver to the site accordingly. So there are two methods. First is central mix concrete, and the second one is truck mix concrete. So don't confuse with the truck mix to the conveyance from one place to another. So this is only we are talking about mixing process. We are not talking about the transporting by truck. This is only we are using mixing. We are talking about only mixing, truck mix or central mix. So first one is central mix concrete. So mix completely in a stationary mixer. As you can see in the picture, there are two or three bins which are allowed to give the ingredients of concrete as required. So in this bin, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, etc. material is already poured into it, and central mix give the guidelines to these bins and using the material for the mix accordingly. Delivered in agitator trucks and non-agitating trucks. So these are the agitated trucks, the vehicle carrying a drum or agitator body in which freshly mixed concrete can be conveyed from point of mixing to that of placing. So these drum can be rotated continuously to agitate the contents. So this is if it is rotated continuously, then it will make in a fresh stage. It will not set accordingly. So in this process, we have to make the concrete on the site before the initial setting time of the cement, before the setting of the concrete. So, for example, if we are having initial setting time of concrete is 30 minutes, so we have to reach the construction site before 30 minutes. So we can use it in a fresh stage before the hardening of the concrete. So operate usually from central mixing plant. So while for timing of delivery should suit the job organization, concrete crew and equipment must be ready on site to handle concrete. So in this, the concrete is transporting from one place to another, and where we are going to construct all the material, all the tools and manual labor should be active. So whenever this concrete will reach there, the hauling and placing activity should be completed before the initial setting time of the cement without any delay. So if there is a delay, then hardening of the concrete will be done. Used for transporting concrete for all the uses, haul distance must be allowed discharge content within 1.5 hours. So in the some cases we need more time. Suppose initial setting time is 30 minutes and we are required time more than 30 minutes. So at that time we are using admixture also. So these admixtures used for increase the initial setting time of the cement so we can complete the required activities in a fresh stage. So non-agitating mixer trucks used for transport complete short haul small distance over the smooth roadways. So this is using for small distances. Advantages cost of non-agitating equipment is lower than that of truck, agitator or mixer. So whatever we have done in the earlier, that is too much costly as compared to this non-agitating trucks. So slump should be limited. Possibility of segregation is there because it is not a rotating. The concrete can be set if it is continuously more than the initial setting time of cement concrete. So segregation will be there. Separation of the coarse aggregate on the surface of mix is there. Segregation will take place. Height on discharge is needed. So next is truck mix concrete. So in this mixing is done in the truck. So used for intermittent periodic production of concrete at job site or small quantities. The first one we are using for small quantities. So combined material transporter and batching and mixing system, one man operation. So you can see in the trucks, it is rotated continuously. If you see while on the road, these trucks are moving from one place to another. The main purpose of these trucks, the mixing will be done, transporting also will be done. The two steps are covered in a single truck mix concrete. So as you can see, while these trucks are moving on the road, so this drum, concrete drum, keep moving while truck is moving from one place to another. So due to this reason, the concrete will not set. It will remain in the fresh stage, and we can use it in the fresh stage before the 30 minutes. If the distance is more and we are required more distance, then we will use the admixture. So we can use retarder to increase the initial setting time of the cement so the concrete will not set and we will get all the properties of the concrete in the fresh stage. So I think all is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask.